Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video I'll show you what the Roku official app is and how to use it step by step. Let's get started. The Roku official app is a free mobile app available on the App Store and Google Play. It turns your phone into a remote control for your Roku device. With it you can control your Roku TV or streaming, take launch channels and apps, use private listening with headphones, search for movies and shows, and even cast photos, videos or music from your phone to your TV. Now to get started, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, go search Roku app on your search bar at the top of your page, and after the icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install. Once installed, open up your app and sign in with your Roku account. Make sure your phone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi. The app will automatically detect your Roku. Just tap to connect. Once connected, you'll see a remote icon at the bottom. Tap it and your phone becomes a Roku remote. Swipe or use the arrow buttons to navigate. Tap the home, back or OK buttons just like a regular remote. You can also use your phone's keyboard for typing way faster than clicking letters one by one on the TV. One of the coolest features is private listening. Just plug in wired headphones or connect wireless ones to your phone and the Roku app streams the TV sound straight to your ears. Perfect for late night watching without disturbing anyone. Next, you can browse and launch your favorite streaming apps directly from the Roku app. Tap the Channels tab to see all the channels installed on your Roku. Tap one to launch it on your TV. Use the search tool to find movies, shows or actors across multiple streaming platforms instantly. You can also cast your own photos, videos or music from your phone to the TV. Just tap the media icon, choose your file and it will play on the big screen. Great for sharing vacation pic or home videos. And other cool features includes adding or removing channels from your Roku, voice search using your phone's mic, and quick access to Roku's free content library, the Roku channel. And that is how you can use the Roku official app step by step. It is free, easy to use and makes streaming much more convenient. If you guys found this video helpful, like and subscribe and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.